Hello, Namaskar. Welcome back on my YouTube channel, guys. And I hope everyone will be good. And I'm back with the good news for international passengers who wants to travel in India. For them, 2 years after international travel was suspended due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Union government has decided to restore all categories of tourist visas for foreign nationals and also issue fresh visas with immediate effect. The government has already decided to allow regular international flight operations which were suspended since March 23rd, 22 due to the COVID-19 pandemic from March 27. An order issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA on Tuesday said it has considered the need for further relaxation of visa and travel restrictions, keeping in view the improvement in the COVID-19 situation in India. Currently valid e-tourist visas issued for 5 years shall stand restored to nationals of 156 countries with immediate effect, with the ministry said fresh 5-year e-tourist visas to nationals of these 156 countries will also be issued. It added the regular paper tourist visa which has validity of 5 years and is issued to nationals of all the countries has also been restored. Similarly, the long duration 10-year regular tourist visas to the citizens of the United States and Japan has also been restored, and new ones will be issued with immediate effect. All these visas were suspended in March 2022 when regular international flights were stopped after the outbreak of COVID-19. In October 2020, India started the process of a graded relaxation in visa and travel restrictions for foreign and India nationals who wanted to come to India for business, conference, employment, study, and research, but tourist visas remained suspended. They were opened for the first time in 18 months on November 15 last year, but only for travel in chartered flights. And guys, several states including Goa as well as stakeholders in the tourism sector wrote to MHA seeking regular tourist visas. The decision to allow all tourists has been taken after discussion with the ministers of civil aviation, tourism, health, external affairs, and the state governments, as the number of COVID-19 cases in the country is below 3,000 per day, MHA said. Union Tourism Minister G. Kishan Reddy informed Parliament on Monday that 21.5 million people involved in the tourism industry lost their jobs during the three COVID-19 waves. Tuesday's order, which has been shared with Indian embassies abroad, said foreign nationals on e-tourist visas may enter India only through designated EC immigration check post ICPS or airports by flights including those under Vande Bharat mission or air bubble or by an other flights. Guys, there are 21 categories of visas given by Indian with various subcategories including tourist visa, medical visa, business visa, conference visa, student and research visa, missionary visa, film visa, journalist visa, sports visa, intern visa, and all have been restored, and all categories of visas are now allowed to travel to India. Guys, if you like the information, please hit like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in next video.